I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make brownies at home. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including cocoa powder, sugar, flour, eggs, and butter. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius to ensure it's perfectly warm when your batter is ready. Line an 8 by 8 inch baking pan with parchment paper, leaving an overhang on two sides for easy removal. This simple preparation sets you up for baking success. Now let's get mixing. In a microwave-safe bowl, melt 1/2 cup of unsalted butter. Once melted, stir in 1 cup of granulated sugar until well combined. Next, whisk in 2 large eggs, one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Finish this step by stirring in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that classic brownie flavor. Gently fold the dry ingredients into your wet mixture until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Overmixing can lead to tough brownies, and we want them perfectly fudgy. Pour the rich, chocolatey batter evenly into your prepared 8 by 8 inch baking pan. Bake for approximately 25 to 30 minutes. You'll know they're done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out with moist crumbs, not wet batter. Once baked, the hardest part is waiting. Allow your brownies to cool completely in the pan on a wire rack. This step is crucial for achieving clean cuts and a perfectly fudgy texture. Once cooled, lift them out using the parchment paper overhang and cut them into 16 delicious squares. They're perfect for sharing or enjoying all to yourself. Remember to check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.